Hello, in front of me I've got iPad 11th inch, 4th generation. In this video I'll show you how to set custom notification sound. In the beginning let's go to settings and enter sounds. Now you can select new notification sound from text tone, new mail, send mail, calendar alerts and reminder alerts. Simply enter the section, go to Tone Store, enter Purchased, and from the purchase list you'll be able to select your purchased song as your custom notification sound. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.